Hi, today I'm gonna take you guys along with me as I work out. I just got ready, so I'll show you what I'm wearing, and I will be working out with Suraj, who I have been working out for more than 2 years now. You guys must have seen him in my YouTube videos before, and also on my Instagram. I've done several online challenges with him, but today we're working out in person. I'm actually already late, so I need to go. Let me quickly show you what I'm wearing. So this is what I'm wearing. I have these Nike leggings on. The top is Nike too. They actually look like it's a set, but it's not. I bought this like 2 or 3 years ago, and I bought this last month, and like I've been looking for something that would go with this leggings because I love it so much, and I found the exact same blue, and something fell on it, probably my coffee this morning, but yeah, this is what I'm wearing. Just gonna go wear my shoes and then go downstairs. If you don't feel like working out, just put your workout clothes on, wear your shoes, and I feel like it just changes your mindset altogether. And I've said this so many times before also, once you're done, dressed up, just tell yourself you're gonna work out for like just 10 minutes, and then that just gets your body all warmed up, and then you'll end up finishing the whole thing and also actually have a lot of fun. Okay, I made it. What are we doing today?
Hi guys, good morning. First of all, it's so happy to be back here with Debasree's YouTube video. Guys, yesterday we had a very core dominated workout and arms dominated workout. So today we're gonna do some leg dominated workout, glutes, hamstring with body weight. No equipment needed for this. So guys, I hope you guys will enjoy this and also do try it. We're gonna mention what the workout of the day is, and you guys can also try it.
Awesome.
Best of luck.
Yeah, let's start.
I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really...
Guys, the first workout we're doing is the glute bridge march. Okay, we're gonna get our hip into an extended position. Okay, getting both our legs on the floor, and then we will march. Okay, you guys will see this now. We extended it. उसके बाद we just do simple march. No, it's a kick. March is just simple tap. Yes, one simple tap. Hip will be extended. Slow wait, get the hang of it. Good. So one burpee here, jump, and then you turn around, jump.
Tomorrow, there's nothing personal in having a little fun. You wait and see if it's worth your while. So give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue.
Your leg here, okay, and just focus on building a bridge here. Just make sure your feet is softly placed on the surface out there, okay? And then just focus on the bridge. One, okay? 2, and you'll feel your hamstrings here.
Okay.
Okay, it's the elevated hamstring bridge. So अभी तुम्हारा जो placement है ना, ये यहाँ पे होगा, not here. Okay? And your leg wants to go far, but you're controlling it. Okay? Now you're gonna place your feet very soft. ये ज़्यादा ankle का flexion ज़्यादा नहीं करना, वरना shin engage होगा. Don't press your feet very hard, वरना calf engage होगा. Okay? Just try to keep it very dead, and just try to lift your arm.
Oh,
yes.
my hands.
Wow. Wonderful. Wow. See, so that it wants to slip.
Yeah.
2. But that's what you need to control. 2. 3. Oh, that's it. 3.
I can feel my hamstrings.
Yeah.
Like.
Giving you up, no, I ain't giving you up. I get over try, giving you up, no, I ain't giving you up. Get over try, giving you up, no, I ain't.
That's nice. That's nice. And 20. Wonderful.
That was painful. We're gonna do Bulgarian split squats now.
Okay, when you talk about the Bulgarian split squat, guys, you need to always make sure that the weight is on the front leg. Okay, the weight is on the front leg. That leg, the toe can be rested completely, or it can be locked here on the edge. Okay, and you have to only focus on the front hip. Take a hip lower and let the knee follow. One. Exhale on the way up. Okay. Just make sure you're pushing through your shoelaces. Okay. Down. 2. Down. 3. You guys can use a chair or some sort of an elevation. Okay. If you want to make it lower, if you're not comfortable balancing on the stepper, you guys can go lower as well. Where you place your feet.
Here, मतलब.
इतना भी नहीं, थोड़ा ऊपर हल्का सा. अभी इस पे तो ऑप्शन नहीं ना, काफी लोगों का ऑप्शन हो सकता है स्टेपर का.
ये डिस्टेंस कितना रहता है?
Distance, just you can't be very far from the anchor or neither very close from the anchor. Okay, just be very comfortable.
This is fine.
This is fine. एक से हल्का सा आ गया. Yeah, that's good. Now just use the front here. Yeah, and go lower. 1. Super. Good. Wonderful. Down. If your leg is slipping away, then you can lock it there. Wonderful. 1. Good. Come halfway down, we can just take a support here. Again, hip hinge, take a support, go lower, and up. 2.
Okay.
This is what you do. Down. Okay?
Alright.
Just take a support. Slow. Good. Up. 1. Okay? Just focus on the hip extension.
So from
1.
okay.
Yeah. From the leg which is on the top. Good. Up. 2.
Okay, so we just got done with all the glute exercises and burpees in the middle.
Yeah, so we had burpees after every set. After completing every 2 sets, we had burpees, which was 180-degree burpees. Okay, so that was the burpees was called 180-degree burpees. Now we'll just do some core workouts and the finishers, and we'll finish off with some stretches, cool down stretches.
Okay.
तो तुम यहाँ पे जाओगे and V position पे आओगे और shin को tap करो. 1, 2, ठीक है? 3, but don't bend your knee. हाँ. Good. Yes. Good. Lift your leg a little more. 4. Yes. शिलाने दो. 5. तो अभी प्रॉपर V भी लग रहा है, ठीक है? 6. अभी V भी लग रहा है. 7. Wonderful. 8. 9. 10. Continue. 1. 2. 3. Too good. 4. 5. Super. 6. 7. 8. 9. And 10. ठीक है?
Oh my god.
तो नी अगर बेंड करोगे ना तो वी पोजीशन फॉर्म नहीं होता.
हाँ.
ओके, तो वी shin tap crunches है. Next will be the heel touches. इसका एक और सेट बाद में करेंगे heel touches के बाद. फीट को हल्का सा नीचे रखना and then you do this. Okay, थोड़ा फीट को हल्का पीछे लो. You can rest your feet. That's good. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, wonderful. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Super. Let's finish with a plank. Three, 2, and hold. Very nice. Perfect when you're moving back. Really good there. Three, 2, and super.
Okay, done.
Guys, that's it. So this was our workout of the day. So if you like the video, please do try it, and please do mention Fitsu Fitness and tag us on your in your stories, okay, if you have completed this workout of the day, and let us know if you want to see anything more. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So it's been 30 minutes since my workout, and what I do after is I just like to cool down a little bit, do a little bit more stretches at home, and then make myself a protein shake, and then I just have that, and then I follow it up with my lunch, and then I get to work. But that's about it for this vlog right here. Thank you so much for joining with me today. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you guys try this workout out. Don't try to push yourself. Just do as much as you are comfortable with, and slowly you will increase your strength. Eat well, be well, stay safe, and I hope I will see you in my next video. Bye.